Big tech is racing to dominate the future of AI, but IBM just made a bold move that could shake up the entire industry. On July 8th, IBM unveiled its new Power 11 chips and servers, the company's first major update to its power line since 2020. And here's the kicker. IBM says these systems will deliver more power efficiency than rivals while making AI deployment far simpler for businesses. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Now here's why this matters. Unlike Nvidia's horsepower-heavy approach, IBM isn't trying to own AI training. Instead, they're targeting inference, the stage where AI actually speeds up business tasks. Think faster decisions in finance, smoother processes in healthcare, and more reliable systems in manufacturing. These new Power 11 servers are built for reliability and security. They don't require planned downtime for software updates, and IBM claims the average unplanned downtime per year is just over 30 seconds. That's basically always-on computing. Even more impressive, the systems are designed to detect and respond to a ransomware attack in under a minute. And starting July 25th, businesses will be able to get their hands on these systems. Later this year, IBM plans to integrate Power 11 with its Spire AI chip, introduced in 2024, to push inference acceleration even further. IBM isn't promising the raw horsepower of Nvidia for training massive models, but what they are offering is practical, secure, and easy to integrate AI, and that could be the edge many enterprises actually need. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and share your take in the comments. And don't miss the related video in the corner. It'll take you even deeper into the world of AI innovation.